Hey there, fellow tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to Zimist Coded, your go-to channel for all things tech-related. Today, we have an essential guide that every Windows user should know: how to partition a hard disk. Partitioning your hard drive allows you to better organize your data, create separate storage spaces, and even install multiple operating systems. But don't worry, we've got you covered with this step-by-step tutorial. Before we begin, remember to back up your important files to avoid any accidental data loss. Now, let's dive into the process of partitioning a hard disk on Windows. Step 1. Open Disk Management. Press Windows plus X and select Disk Management from the Power User menu. Step 2. Locate the hard disk. Identify the target hard disk you wish to partition. Step 3. Shrink the volume. Right-click on the partition you want to shrink, choose Shrink Volume, and enter the amount of space to shrink. Step 4. Create a new partition. Right-click on the unallocated space, select New Simple Volume, and follow the New Simple Volume wizard. Step 5. Specify partition size. Choose the size for the new partition and click Next. Step 6. Assign a drive letter or path. Select a drive letter, folder mount option, or choose not to assign any letter. Step 7. Format the partition. Choose the file system NVS recommended, enter a volume label optional, and select Perform a quick format. Step 8. Complete the wizard. Review your selections and click Finish to create the new partition. Congratulations! You've successfully partitioned your hard disk on Windows. Now, you have separate storage spaces for different purposes, making your data organization more efficient. Remember, proper partitioning can improve your system's performance and help you keep your data safe. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to Zimist Coded for more tech tips and tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. If you have any questions or need further assistance, drop them in the comments below, and we'll be glad to help you out. Thanks for watching, and happy computing!